Hello everyone, back with another video. We're in the kitchen yet again. I'm wearing a polo and stuff because I just got done with hockey, but I decided I want to make some banana bread because we got some ripe bananas and I might as well, right? So I'll show you guys how to make banana bread. Here we go. Alright, to start off, we need 3 ripe bananas. I got 3 of them here. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We need 2 teaspoons of either baking soda or baking powder. I'm gonna use baking powder because I don't have baking soda. I know it's not the same, but you can substitute it. We need vanilla. We need 2 eggs. We need some chocolate chips, butter, and milk. And that'll do it, so let's get to it. Alright, we got our 3 ripe bananas in the bowl, then we're going to go in with some flour. Alright, instead of flour, we're actually going with our 2 eggs and then some melted butter, which is just 1 stick, into our 3 bananas. Alright, now we got our eggs in, let's fold them in. Alright, now we got our 1 stick of melted butter going right into our mixture. We're going to come in and we're going to add some vanilla extract. And then with our vanilla extract, we'll add the dry ingredients next. I forgot again, we got 1 more wet ingredient, and that's the 1/4 cup of milk. Alright, we got all our wet ingredients combined. Now we're going in with our dry ingredients. And we're gonna start off with 1 cup of sugar, then 2 cups of flour, and we'll be good. Alrighty, sugar's in, now we're gonna add 1 cup of flour at a time so that we can mix it in all evenly. Because this is a hand mix recipe that I'm doing. And you could use a mixer, but I'm just using my hand. Alrighty, so I did actually end up having to switch to a bigger bowl because the little bowl wasn't doing it. And when I was in the pantry, oh, fingers are slippery, I found some baking soda, so we don't have to use baking powder now. If you have baking powder, it works too. Baking soda, I think, is just better, I think. I don't know. So we're gonna add 1 more cup of flour, a little bit of salt, a little bit of baking powder, chocolate chips, bananas, and we're gonna throw it in the oven. Alrighty everyone, our flour is mixed in here. Mixture's looking nice and good. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, some chocolate, and some nana pieces, and we're good. Alrighty, we've gone in with the chocolate chips. Now, I'm gonna cut up some banana and put in some banana chunks because I saw on this like Australian bushcraft video, they made like banana bread, but they put a whole banana on the top of it. I'm not quite that ambitious. So I'm just gonna cut up some chunks and throw some less ripe banana on top so you get some banana bite in your banana bread. So we have chocolate chips, the banana in the banana bread. I think it's gonna be pretty killer, so I'll show you guys. Also, oven needs to be preheated to 350 degrees, which will be done. We got our banana bread in our banana bread pan here. And we're gonna throw it in the oven and we're gonna bake for 50 to 60 minutes. We're gonna start that now. There's the final product, everyone. We'll give her a little taste test for you guys, fresh out the oven. Best banana bread ever. The banana chunks are great. Chocolate chips, the bread's moist and sweet. 10 out of 10. Hope everyone liked the video. Hope you guys followed along and tried this recipe out. It was really good. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you have a great day. Peace.